Alright, good morning. Hey guys, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cram, my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, guys, we're not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel, okay? We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. So if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets, and of course, excuse me, teach you how to trade these markets the right way, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're gonna do. What's up, guys? I hope y'all are having a good Monday so far. I hope y'all had a good weekend, rejuvenated and ready to get this week rolling with Forex Trading Group. We're out over here trying to build an army of millionaires, okay? So if anyone's new onto the stream, welcome for the first time, and just watch what we do, all right? Pick up. We're scalpers in these markets. Some may go as far as saying we're aggressive scalpers, but I like that. All right, I like that. We are aggressive scalpers, but we use risk management to bank our pips zone to zone in these markets, and we just are pretty damn good at it. Okay? Alright, so guys, also we're not financial advisors, so any trades that you take upon yourself. Please don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time. Also, we're live on YouTube after quite some time, so I would love if you guys would just go on one of our either Millzone or one of our mods. Somebody or the other will definitely send across the link. We'd like for you all to go. Just keep it open, alright? Help us beat this algo, and just sort of give it a like, okay? And if you guys don't have a face to the name Cram Effects, then I also do have my camera on YouTube, so you guys will also be able to see us, okay? But anyway, go ahead and definitely get that going. And I'm gonna start to share my screen real quick. Gold's doing something. Give me a quick second, you guys. Okay, that's my chart. Ignore the Nasdaq buys for now. We'll look for it up above there, okay? That was a pre-market open move. Extremely tiny. It could have worked, but it is what it is. Let's look at gold. Gold's starting to tank. I have some I've charted up some oil for you guys today as well. Alright, so let's see if gold wants to break past, retest, and reject. Okay, gold's looking pretty decent to me right now, as is oil. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's put these boxes up. Oops, my bad. So we have the short positions on the break of our demand zone right here. Okay, and we could possibly come down to try and get that. And of course, we're going to have the long positions up above our sellers or our supply zone up to the next zone, wherever that is. Let's get them pips, Kyle. What's up, man? Thank you so much for commenting on YouTube, buddy. Okay. So these are the charts. Is anyone in any sort of trades right now? Are we watching? Or what exactly is going on, fam? Okay, quick scalp on Nasdaq. If you guys can remember, we had this as the box, right? So you guys could maybe, if we start to get rejected from here, have a quick scalp out of this, break this high and go up and grab 13 pips, but it seems like we do have some newer people on here today, so I'm going to give us safer entries, okay? But one-on-ones, you guys, my already existing army of millionaires, you guys know what to do, okay? And oops, my bad. Alright, dirty is starting to look good for sure, but let's see. Excuse me. Let's see if, sorry guys, just give me a quick second. Okay, so let's see if we sort of want to break this accumulation that's going on the US 30 right now and get a sort of move after that. Okay, so we've got 5 more minutes to market open. Let's see what they want to do. Alright, so what did gold do? Gold tested out our demand zone, so what I can do at this point to make it a little clearer for you guys is I can go ahead and draw a nice little box of buyers, or in other words, we call that demand. Okay, so we have a nice little zone of demand right here. As long as we break this zone, the kind of move that we could be looking for would be this. Alright, so using the Forex entry exit strategy, you'd be looking to break this demand, retest that demand and supply, and break and push down further. Okay, however you want to enter with your risk management and all of that good stuff, that's up to you guys. Okay, we're just here providing you all with the analysis, and risk management is a completely different thing altogether. Okay, I get a lot of people asking me how many lots am I supposed to use, Cram, on my this sized account, and I was like, buddy, it depends setup to setup. It's you can't be using a standard lot, because if you're using a standard lot for all of your positions, you're most certainly going to get burned out in these markets. Okay, so risk management is a very vast topic, and it's something that we do cover on the private personalized sessions, but it's also something that you absolutely need to successfully be able to trade these markets. Okay, sorry about that. I was just talking to Cash real quick. Hello, bro. Keep up the good work. God bless. Thank you so much, Jay. Thank you so much, buddy. Appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. One-on-ones. We know what's coming up over here, right? Do I need to draw the box out, or you guys understand? Damn it, I just realized I didn't open up the chat because I was looking at YouTube, right? We got a couple of minutes to mark it open. I need to say hi to my army of millionaires. Okay, what's up, you guys? Good morning, Will. Good morning, Alpha D Jen. Rekar, Ankur. Quite a few names here, new names here today. Good morning, Shelby. Aaron. Guys, stop freaking annotating on my screen. Okay, disabled. Okay, what's up? The gains, my man. Bro, today I lost $100. That's what happens when you trade without Forex trading. Don't be greedy. Wait for our sessions, okay? We're here to give you guys some solid setups. That's what we've been doing from the past 1 year. Well, close to a year now. And just wait. Don't be angsty in these markets. In gold, Nasdaq sell. Baha, what's up, buddy? Emily, hi Emily. Okay, hi Sampath. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, good. It's my first day. Let's go. Welcome. 57 Kamil. Welcome, buddy. Welcome. EUR USD, Mr. Tawheed. We don't do EUR USD for New York Market Open. My lovely partner, Cash FX, is the one that does EUR USD and GBP USD for London Market Open. All right, so that's going to be up tomorrow for London. Okay, we do gold, we do the indices, and sometimes, if I'm in the mood, we also do some oil. Okay, now we're having a little bit of a potential impulse into ourselves. Now the thing is, we're just too close to market open right now. Okay, we're just too close to market open, which means I am not comfortable getting getting into any sort of trades right now. I'm gonna wait and sort of see how it plays out. If we get a move, we get a move. If not, we don't have to force nothing. Okay, you guys, take it easy. Don't get in impulsively. Okay, wait for price to do its thing. If we happen to break, retest, and break these lows, then maybe I get in for a quick scout, 5, 10, 15 pips, pull out my gold, and be done for the session. Okay? Oof. US 30 starting to look juicy, you guys. Extremely juicy. Okay, let's see how US 30 wants to play out, and let's see if we want to sort of get any sort of moves. भाई आपकी strategy राजा banks की तरह है क्या? No. हम price action trade करते हैं भाई. Okay? Let's go. Let's get this done. Cram, after our session, I really looked into oil as I really want to trade. I still have oil, it's like 5 pips. I'll get that in some time. I'll just reply to that. This is market open in the next couple of seconds, guys. Let's have a good one. Do not be over leveraging your accounts. Please don't be stupid, okay? Let's go. This is market open. Okay? Selling, bro. When you're selling, say US. Sorry, buddy, we're not a buy or sell channel, okay? We're an educational channel. We don't tell you guys when to buy and sell these markets. That's up to y'all. Okay? It's time to break this low. Let's see if we want to get a move. Okay, let's see. Zoe, you need to stop. Sorry, guys. Zoe going crazy. Okay, look at that. Beautiful freaking move on. Beautiful impulse on Nasdaq. Beautiful impulse up over here. When am I going to enter in on this trade? I'm going to enter in on this trade over here, okay? Because we realize that there's that strong level of daily resistance that's sitting right up there, and we want to successfully break that, okay? Like we're doing right now. Okay, so impulse. If you guys don't feel comfortable getting in on the impulse, it's all good. Take it easy. Wait for the candle to close. Wait for the retest. I just got in. I just got in on the US 30. I couldn't stop myself. But I'm in on I'm in on the dirty, okay? Nice and small, nothing too big, but yeah, let's take it easy. We definitely have some resistance on the higher time frames as well that's going to be kicking in, so please let's be mindful about that. And if we break the highs, if you guys want to quickly take a look at the hourly, I don't want to switch over just because of the fact that we have. Okay, let me just show it to you guys, okay? So on the hourly, we have all of this traffic that's sitting on the side. So what I'm looking to do is possibly break that, be trigger finger on this, just catch my 10, 15 pips from here. And I keep seeing Instagram, and I keep seeing well, not the YouTube comments, but the Instagram comments. We have a lot of people calling us aggressive scalpers, and people might think that's a bad thing, but fuck that. I wake up every single morning to beat these market makers at their own game, and I am an aggressive scalper. We make our money with 10, 15, 20 pips. We don't give a shit about what the rest of the world does. We don't care about what the other streamers do. We do this our way because this is our time here at Forex Trading, okay? Now is our time. Let's get this, guys. All right, let them close, let them do their thing. Just a short little impulse with a break on gold. Gold definitely is starting to see a little bit of support that's kicking in over here. Okay, so let's see, man. Let's see. I hope you guys are in only on small positions on gold. Oil is starting to break. I like oil as well right now. If we break the structure on oil, man, one-on-ones, you guys should be able to see this, okay? Nice, solid double top coming in. And we could really get a break retest and a continuation of this move to the downside. I have my eyes on oil, and I am now looking to break that region on the US 30. If we don't break that region on this candle, or if we don't close above our daily resistance on this candle, that's good. You know, I'm going to start to look for the sells coming to the downside then, okay? But for now, I'm just in on a really small position, $5 a pip. And this was my entry somewhere in this region, and my stop loss is going to be down here. Excuse me, my stop loss is going to be down here. So I'm going to be looking at about a 10, 12, 15 pip stop loss, and we'll see how it goes, okay? Yeah, I need you all to realize something. When we close, if we close, we're also going to have a retest, okay? So what I like to do at a time like this is I like to switch this supply into demand, because support turns to resistance, resistance turns to support, supply flips to demand, demand slips to supply, buyers flip to sellers, and sellers flip to buyers, okay? If anyone tells you anything else, they don't know anything about these markets. I promise you that. All right? So let's see how price wants to play about, okay? We have a few people on YouTube as well. I hope you guys have liked the stream. I don't like asking for it, but it would just really help us out because we're extremely new right now, and help us beat this algo, okay? All right, pretty slow. I'm not gonna lie. It is a Monday, so we can expect some chop in these markets, but pretty slow right now, okay? I love market opens. They're like mini news, 100%. Let me give a little explanation on that, just because you brought that up, Kurt, and because we have. Oh fuck me, sorry, Kurt. That explanation can wait. All right. 10 seconds to go. I'm gonna make my money on this, and then we'll do the explaining. All right, buddy. Come on. New candle open up. Give us a little bit of a retest down here. I'm going to try to catch that lowest point if we start to pick up support from our daily support. Or, oh, okay. I just got in, guys. I just got in. And I'm running. I'm running by about 4 pips, 3 pips. All right, coming down. Not a very big position. I'm in with just a medium-sized position, but I think we can break this high. All right, let's see. Let's see, I'm coming back down to, I'm at break-even right now. All right, and this is, again, not a big position. It's a small position. Wait for the retest over here. Okay, now my bigger position is going to come in if we happen to get rejected from this beautiful level sitting right here. Okay, guys? Come on, let's see. Right there. Let's take a look at oil. Closed right in our... This is good. This is good on oil, okay? So now this flips to supply. And let's see if we get rejected from here. That could actually literally be your entry right there. Okay, but again, it depends on your risk management. It depends on the kind of lots that you're using in these markets. If you're using a bigger lot, there's no way you're going to be able to hold on for too much. Okay, so if you're following the Forex entry exit strategy, you still have not gotten into any sort of bigger positions. You're still just in on a feeler, possibly getting in on a Corolla somewhere here, or even in that region. Okay, so let's see if they want to pick up buyers from here, because the truth is this is still our zone of demand. Okay, so they didn't exactly close below, they closed right at it, so maybe they just started to pick up buyers from here and go up to make a nice little double top and then eventually sell off. Okay, all right, rejection from there. Let's see. All right, currently I'm just in with the $5 a pip, which I got in, you guys know where. It's given me a little bit of profit, and I got in with a smaller with another position over here. It's in drawdown right now, but the profits from my $5 a pip are pretty much keeping me at break even. Okay, we're starting to come down. Not happening, you guys, not happening. Okay, I'm gonna look to close out my position right about there. Zoe, you need to stop. Sorry, guys. My dog is losing her shit. Okay, this is going to be my stop loss for the positions. And if I get stopped out over here, which it looks like I just may, if I get stopped out over here, I'm going to be down by about 500. Okay, close to that. Not that big of a deal. It's all good. It's all good. Gold analysis. Nothing. Gold's just choppy right now. There's nothing to analyze on gold, literally. Chop on gold, okay? I'd be looking to break these lows in order to come down there. That's what I'd be looking on gold. Sorry, guys. Zoe's going crazy. Okay. Let's take a final look over here. And I want to take a look at the EMAs. We have room to come down. Yeah, I'm getting out of this. Screw it. Okay, I'm out of my US 30 position. I just took an L. I just took an L for 550 bucks. 550 bucks, okay? Smaller position, so it's not that big of a deal. It is what it is, all right? I was running by about 10 pips at one point on that wick. Zoe, you need to stop. Sorry about that, guys. She knows you're making money. I think she knows I just lost money. I think that's more it. Okay, let's see when the sell's coming. $7 I got stopped out. That's fine, Emily. That's fine. Don't worry about it, okay? Look at those dirty markets. Dirty markets. This is what I mean. All right? Gold. Okay, so now, again, like we spoke about, right? They closed exactly in our box of demand. Okay, what I would have liked is I would have liked US 30 to close in our box, right? In our box, retest, reject, and push. But as you can see, they closed exactly in demand. Gold right now is trying something, and they're picking back up from here. If gold breaks this low, you're getting in real quick, okay? New candle opens up now. Boom, look at that. All right, let's go to test out those lows on gold. This is the power of supply and demand, you guys. You all see the exact levels where we pick buyers and sellers from. Once you all start to identify supply and demand, you're going to be unstoppable in these markets, okay? And of course, you also need risk management to go with all of this. But yeah. Chop chop so far. Nasdaq picking up buyers, potentially going to create maybe a lower high and then eventually start to push back down. But if Nasdaq breaks these highs, we're also going to go overbought on the RSI, and it could look like we want to maybe push higher. What do you guys think? Is US 30 going bullish or bearish? What are your thoughts on US 30? My private members on Zoom. What are your thoughts on the dirty? Are we bullish or bearish? Bullish, bullish, bullish. Emily, it has to go down. I want more people to tell me what they think. I think it'll go bullish. Come on, guys, type it out. If y'all aren't in any trades right now, let me know what your thoughts are on US 30. Bearish, bullish, bearish. Okay, so we've got some mixed biased. Let's see. All right. Team Bulls and Team Bears. Let's go. All right. Team Bulls, Team Bears. All right. I want you guys to react to Team Bulls and Team Bears, and let's see how many people think it's going to happen. All right. I'm going to put my pick right now. Okay. Let's see. Let's see, you guys. Come on, just react to the message. Okay. All right, we have quite a few from the Team Bulls, and I just got in at this level. I'm currently running 10 pips on $300 a pip and still counting. Lovely freaking move. I'm loving it, all right? I'm running up by about 20 pips, all right? Coming in at 20 pips, I'm up by 6 grand on US 30. Team Bulls win. I'm pulling out 6 grand, 7,200 right now. 69, 7,200. You know what? I'm going to pull out a small position. Fuck it. I just pulled it out. I pulled out 5,400 on US 30 buy. Boom. Who caught that with me? That's Forex trading for you guys. Lovely. All right. I love that move. Listen, let me break down what just happened on the US 30 right now, okay? So with US 30, we basically, I mean, the bias was correct. There was no issues with the bias, right? But the thing was the time. Not having enough momentum in the market is what made me lose my smaller positions. Now, the fact that I just lost my smaller positions shows you guys how important risk management is. Where did I enter? I entered in right over here. I was down $500 on this trade. I was in with $5 and I was in with $10, but I realized that in case it started to push down, I didn't want to be part of all of the drama that's going to go on here. I didn't want to go through the emotions, right? So I figured as soon as we closed at our daily resistance and we didn't successfully close below it, I knew, or at least I was expecting price to get one more momentum push to potentially create a higher high. And you guys remember on the early time frame what I showed you, all right, with all the traffic that was on there to the left, and that's exactly what played out. My position was the break of these bodies, and I caught a nice 25 pip move, but when I closed my trade, it was slightly lower, so I caught about an 18 pip move on $300 a pip. Quick 6 grand for me. I want to see W's in the chat, all right? Who caught that with me? And Team Bulls it is. Team Bulls win, all right? 13 people said Team Bulls and 3 people said Team Bears. I love it, man. I love it, all right? A lot of you guys probably cheated because y'all saw my bias as soon as I typed it out. But good on y'all. Good on the ones that made some money on this with me, okay? Okay, so now it's obvious, right? Oil, they pretty much picked up bias from here. They didn't close down from here. I want you guys to... yeah, we have news in 5 seconds. I want you guys to understand that this region is still going to be a beautiful region whenever we come down here. 77.35. All right, so S&P is positive news. Look at gold. If we start to break this on gold, y'all know what's going to happen, okay? All right, this still looks good. They're trying to go back up for a wick fill, but I'm out of the dirty. I'm not looking at it. All right, where are we going to get in with our... Goldie, too flicky on gold. Guys, don't trade this crap. Extremely flicky on gold, okay? Boom. Where are we going to get in on the buys? My aggressive scalpers can get in over here, all right? And I really take that as a compliment whenever I see anyone say, you're such an aggressive scalper. I'm like, thank you. Um, that's the one thing that gets me going, okay? And I love it. But anyway, my aggressive scalpers, you guys can catch a nice close to 30 pip move in this region, actually exactly 30 pip move in this zone. And if not, then you have the break of that zone to push higher, okay? What could oil possibly do now? Maybe oil's going to start a gear up for something like this, right? So we can make a nice little double top, break, retest, and we already had an impulse over here. Not a successful close down there, but you guys can see this is going to be a beautiful zone of structure. I'm not taking any more trades personally. I'm done for the day. I'm up by 20 pips, and I'm happy. Not complaining, okay? Gold 2K win in 5 seconds. Just open and fall. Awesome. Where was your stop loss placed on US 30? Right there, buddy. Right there. 25 pips. That's a question that you don't always have to ask. Let me tell you why. All of our zones, they're usually anywhere between 20 and 30 pips. So you need to do your risk management. Look at fucking NASDAQ. Okay? You need to do your risk management based off of the previous zone so that you're able to set your stop loss, because that's usually the safest place to set your stop loss, right? We use support and resistance as a key factor in our style of trading, and we have the most basic style of trading as well, okay? We don't believe in complicating anything. Trading's a lot more complicated than it should be, and there's just a lot of people out there making it even more complicated. The way we do it, we like to strip it down to its basics. All right, all we use: support, resistance, supply, demand, break of structure. That's about it. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay, you guys. Nasty starting to fall. If you guys are not comfortable getting in on this, y'all know what to do. Wait for the candle to close. Okay. Stay out of this chop. Stay out of this chop completely. Okay. Alright, so new people on here. As I can see, a lot of people either made their money and left, or they didn't understand what we were doing and they left, but it's all good. Do we have any questions from any of the new people on here? Because I'm not going to stay on the stream much longer. We're not like those other streamers, guys, I'm telling y'all. We're not going to be here streaming 3, 4, 5 hours a session. No. We have lives as well, and we truly believe in streaming for a bit, making our pips, getting out of these markets, and moving on with our lives. Okay? I'm going to be off soon. Let me know what you guys are... let me know what you guys are interested in doing. Gold's extremely choppy right now. Okay, we are going to push bearish eventually on gold. Now it really depends on how we're going to react to this level up here, because what's going on over here, Aryan, is we're building some supply. Okay. Why do I say we're building supply here? Because we attempted once. We attempted twice, and then what do? The sellers got activated, okay? So it really, really depends on how we break this, and also the break of this structure. As you can see, based off of the left will be a nice retest rejection. Or, if I may, the Forex entry exit strategy, okay? How can I book a one-on-one? Please message Cash FX, who's my partner, on Forex, on our server, on Discord, okay? Message Cash, she'll send you the information for it. Thanks for the session, Cram. Made my pitch for the day. Cheers. Cheers, B2. Scalp and go. How do you take trade? Yeah, okay. Hop on YouTube, man. There's a lot of information on YouTube as to how you can buy and sell. Hop onto that, and I'm sure you'll get all the information you need, okay? YouTube's your best friend. Okay, anyone in on the nasty sells? Beautiful impulse on NASDAQ. Beautiful impulse on NASDAQ, okay? Guys, listen, this better translate into success stories. I know a lot of you guys are very, very lazy, and a lot of you guys just like to lurk around and get on the sessions for free. But trust me, you guys are... What is that, babe? Okay. All right, sorry about that. But yeah, like I was saying, a lot of you guys are super lazy and you'll like to take us for granted. I'm not going to call anyone out because there are a lot of people to be called out otherwise. Make sure and post up some success stories. Okay, we're doing this for free. I promise you, there's no one out there that's literally coming live twice every single trading day for London Market Open, for New York Market Open, and giving you guys the kind of value, setups, information, and energy that we guys give you. All right, both Cash and I. So please, 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 all I'm saying is it's free for you guys to do. go on to our Forex server, type in success stories, let people know what we're doing over here. Doesn't matter if you've made $1, 100,000, 10,000, or you just made how much I made. It really doesn't matter. Even if you're on a paper account, it doesn't matter. As long as you picked up some value from this session, go ahead and put on a success story, okay? And if you guys are going to be generous enough, and I know not too many of you guys are, but if you're going to be doing that, then also go ahead and post up on Twitter, okay? Make sure to tag Cramcash and Forex Trading. What do you guys think of Twitter's new logo? Are we liking it? Or are we hating it? I never liked the bird to begin with, to be fair. Okay, markets are getting choppy. Do we have any final questions, guys? I'm going to call it a session. All right, I'm done. For the one-on-ones, Devam, babe, do we have a slot? Okay, Cash is saying just message her, or even if you're not, just say hi on what's it called? On the general chat, open chat. My bad. Just say hi on that, and Cash will message you. Okay. Gold is dead. You wanted to mention something about oil when I said whole move in 1 hour and 5 pips. What was it? I forgot, Emily. I'm so sorry. What was I talking about? I talk too much. So I lost my chain of thought. Captain Nemo, is that you? Are you interested on the one-on-ones? If it is, then Cash is going to message you. All right, Captain Nemo. Babe, Captain Nemo. Thanks, Graham, for another awesome session. You're most welcome, Alika. Hasib, are you interested in the one-on-ones as well? If you are, guys, message Cash FX, okay? Sonibia from YouTube. Yes, we do. Please join our Discord server. All right, all of the information is on there. Because you talk too fast here, I talk fast all the time. People tell me I always seem like I'm on some sort of psychedelic. But yeah, I mean, my mind works really fast, and there are a lot of thoughts going on, and it comes out in the speed with which I speak. Okay. Nasty played? Yes, it did, sir. And where did it go on to? Exactly our daily support. How many of you guys got Nasdaq? I hope JJ did. Back-to-back 3 stop-loss hit from the last 3 days. Just need 1 TP for all recovery. Why is that, Rickard? You're probably not using the right risk management. Actually, you possibly could be. Because if you're saying that 3 stop-losses and 1 trade will take care of it, then I reckon your risk management is on point. I said it was too hard to trade oil. It seems as it moves over 5 pips in 1 hour, and I will keep that answer after I take the trade. Well, oil, you said oil moves 5 pips in 1 hour. Yeah, that's because even if you trade oil, not 5 pips, it's more GU, EU, the FX pairs are the ones that move slower. In fact, oil moves pretty decently, Emily, but it's just that it's not as erratic as gold, right? You could compare it with gold in terms of movement, but it's just not as erratic as gold. What I mean by that is gold is more volumized, which means there are more lots that are running in on gold. It also means that there are more traders that are trading gold. So it moves. If you look at this is still a solid move. You know what I'm saying? So let's see how it wants to play out. Let's see if we want to get a nice little double bottom from here. If we start to get rejected from the supply, guys, I'm telling you, I'll start entering in from here, okay? Because then you're maybe going to make the push to the downside and just move, okay? But the way you Emily, this one's for you. The way you calculate your pips on oil, the way you do your risk management on oil and something like GU and EU and all of that good stuff is going to be different, all right? You want to just basically use slightly more aggressive risk management just so that you pretty much are able to recover or make your pips, make your money for a lesser amount of pips. I hope that makes sense. Go Cramp, go. You know I did. Awesome, you guys. Oh my fucking Christ. Anyone still in on Nasdaq? Babe, are you looking at Nasdaq? Ridiculous, man. Look at Nasdaq. That drop on Nasdaq. Okay. I just want to take a second to appreciate the beautiful analysis over here. All right, just I'm not beating my own horn, but Cash is the one that just analyzed Nasdaq for us today. Okay, on my stream, this move is literally a textbook forex move. You had the break, you had the beautiful retest to our supply, and then it just freaking tanked from there. Okay, beautiful. Major props to Cash. She was the one that analyzed Nasdaq today, but you guys know her. She's the queen of nasty. Um, and it's just beautiful to see these sort of freaking banger moves. All right, great job, babe. Do you have any training for a small group, or I have to only opt for one-to-one? As of right now, we only have personalized sessions, but we're working on the private group sessions. They will be starting up probably in the next couple of weeks or in the next month or so. But yeah, we're working on it, buddy. Jay. W on Nasty. Thank you, Queen Nasty and Cram. You're most welcome. Nasty was beautiful. I'm almost thinking I wish I was in on Nasdaq, but I can't complain, okay? As long as you make your money, you got to be happy in these markets. All right, make sure those freaking success stories are coming in, or I'm just gonna get pissed, man. And I don't like getting pissed. It takes a lot to really. I mean, my wife would say otherwise, but it takes a lot to really get on my nerves. But honestly, seeing people lurk around on our server and seeing people make money with us and still not do the little things we ask them to do really, really bothers me. All right, it's just I'm the kind of guy that believes in gratitude. I believe in giving, and I don't believe in taking. Right, so it's just a little demotivating when people come on and they don't even they make the money, they walk away, they do their thing, and they don't even just appreciate it. It pisses me off. It's all good though. It is what it is. But I'm just saying, get those posted, okay? All right, guys, any final questions? Because I'm going to call it a session. Cash is going to be live for London tomorrow. I'm going to be live for New York. If I'm not wrong, I think we have sessions back-to-back now till Friday. All right, so Friday, New York is the only session that's not going to be there. But starting tomorrow, all right, we're going to have every single market open up until New York's Friday. Friday's New York, okay? So it's going to be a pretty trade-heavy week. You guys could be risking slightly lesser because of the number of streams and the number of opportunities and the number of setups that are going to be coming your way this week, okay? Okay, I guess there are no questions. Thank you all so much. Listen, for the one-on-ones, go ahead and message. I think Cash has already taken care of it, so go ahead and let her know, and she will. And also, guys, only serious freaking clients, okay? I'm not gonna lie, we have people that come on, you'll either don't have the money to pay for them, or, which is okay, by the way, we understand that not everyone can afford it, which is okay, but don't keep us hanging, all right? There's a serious demand and a lack of supply right now for the one-on-ones. We're two people, okay? And which is why if you guys join the regular course, there's an 8-week wait time currently, okay? So if you're not interested, please don't keep us hanging. Right, ask us the information and just tell us, sorry, not right now, not my thing, so that we can pass it on to the next person. It's really disrespectful when you guys tell us that we let you know and then y'all ghost us. Y'all have no freaking reason to ghost us. If anyone, we should be ghosting y'all, okay? The ones that are not serious are the ones that I'm talking about, okay? So respect our time, because time is money, and just let us know if you guys are actually interested or not. Do not keep us hanging. You will get blocked from our server. I promise you guys that. It's my server. I can do as I like. All right? Thank you guys so much. And as I always keep saying, we're building an army of millionaires. Okay? So it's up to you if you guys are... if you guys want to hop on. All right, we stream every single day. Do what you do. Jump in. Learn how we trade these markets. Get on a demo account to begin with, because there is a learning curve. We're pure price action traders, guys. As you all must have seen, a lot of new people on here. No indicators, no BS, none of that stuff. We just like to trade these markets and decipher the language of these candles and trade these markets zone to zone. All right, so if you guys want to hop on to what we're doing, and if you want to become part of the army of millionaires, go ahead and click the link. This is for YouTube. I'm sure there's a link on YouTube. If it isn't, my bad. I'll make sure it's up the next time. But join our Discord server. All of the information you need from Forex Academy to all of these live sessions are all available on our Discord server. Okay, so you guys could literally come, and rather than being on YouTube, you could join up on our private Zoom that is also on right now. Okay, so thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you guys are. I'm Cram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out, you guys. Ciao. Bye. Have a good day. All right, I just got off YouTube, guys. The ones that are still on Zoom. Sorry, I had to end the stream on YouTube, but the ones that are still here, please watch for this level, man. All right, so U.S. Oil looks good for the sells in case they want to come down here. The buys also look good over here. I'm not gonna lie to you guys straight up. All right, let's round that number up to 78. Okay, so anything above 78 will give you a nice little break, retest, rejection of this move. My bias is most certainly towards the sells, as y'all can see why. Okay, we've been overbought. We've done all of this over here, but I just feel like we need to start pushing down. So personally, me, if we push up there, I'm not looking to get in on anything. Okay, gold is trying to come down for the zone fill. So if we happen to break this, and you guys, I wouldn't recommend y'all to get in on big positions and hold this, guys. Okay, I'd say that if you guys still have runners that are going, then maybe it's not such a bad idea to sort of trail your stop loss to the downside and try and catch that move to the daily support. Okay, and Nasdaq, the sales still look juicy, man. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, we break down from here on Nasdaq. We could be pushing to. There's no historical data. All right, go ahead on the early, find a nice level from there, or let's catch a whole number. Maybe we look at 350 or something of that sort. Okay, but as long as we get rejected from here and break this, US 30, you guys remember. Okay, this is the power of freaking TA. Okay, this buys were gonna come in. We caught it before they came in. Yes, we took a little bit of an L, but as you can see, if you guys got in with me, you'd still be running by a solid freaking 70 pips at this point. Okay, so I just wanted to give you guys a little update on this, and I always want to treat you guys more special than YouTube, okay, because you guys are our private members, and all of y'all on Zoom, y'all are always going to be treated as our private members, okay? As many YouTube people are there, not there, we don't give a shit. You guys are the priority. All right, thank you guys so much. Have a great day, and I will see you guys for London tomorrow and for New York. Take care, guys. Take it easy. Bye.